Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a complete and professional webinar using Microsoft Teams. First, open your web browser and head to Microsoft Teams. Sign in using your account details. If this is your first time using Teams, you may be prompted to finish setting up your profile. Once that's done, you're good to go. After logging in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Calendar. This is where all your scheduling and event management tools live. In the top right corner of the calendar, click New Event. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down and select Webinar. Choosing this option creates a webinar-style event designed specifically for larger audiences and smoother attendee experiences. Once the webinar setup screen opens, start by filling in the core details. Add your event title, description, date, and time. Be clear and engaging so attendees know exactly what your webinar is about and what they'll gain from attending. Next, you'll have the option to assign the event to a specific group or organization. This is useful if you manage multiple teams or run several events and want everything properly organized. You can also add co-organizers. Just enter their email addresses or search for them in your contacts. Co-organizers can help manage the webinar, moderate interactions, and keep things running smoothly while you focus on presenting. After that, adjust the event access settings. Here, you decide who's allowed to join the webinar, whether it's open to everyone or limited to specific users or groups. You'll also find settings for controlling the attendee experience. This is where you manage things like audio permissions, interaction options, and how attendees can ask questions or participate during the session. Once these settings are in place, click Save to make sure nothing is lost as you continue customizing your webinar. You can then update the presenter bio section. This allows you to showcase your speaker's background, expertise, and experience. Adding photos or relevant visuals here can help boost credibility and engagement. Other customization options include theming, registration settings, event configuration, and attendee status controls. These features let you tailor both the appearance and functionality of your webinar to match your goals. Email notifications and reports are also important tools. Use emails to keep attendees informed before and after the event, and review reports afterward to measure attendance and overall success. Don't forget to enable recording sharing. This gives attendees access to the webinar after it ends and allows your content to continue delivering value. You can also manage any connected apps that will be used during the webinar. These apps can enhance interactivity and add extra features to your event. Once everything is set and you're happy with the configuration, click Publish. This makes your webinar live and opens it for registration. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next tutorial.